Hi folks, I'm Modless. So I have finished this model and it has come to a sad ending, and I will tell you in a little bit. So this is the finished model. I have actually painted a gloss coat on it. And there are many things which I did not expect. So it is indeed not something which I'm totally happy about. I think you will notice that there is no decals, and the only decal that I managed to put was this United States decal here, and even this ripped off, and I had to sort of fix it back. So what happened was the decals, I can show you what exactly happened. If you look at these decals, so this is what happens after I soaked it in water and tried to peel it off, but nothing actually came off right. And this particular one, I had it in the water for like 2 days, but still has this problem. So for the rest of the decals, I didn't really bother to soak it in, because I know it's gonna it's not gonna peel off. That's the thing. So I think I would just leave it as it is. I tried to find some old decals from other models, but couldn't find anything that fit to this 1/200 scale. And for the landing gears, they were so difficult to attach and to align it. So this model here, I will call this done. I'm not gonna do anything further to it. So I know maybe some of you might be disappointed, but it is an old kit and there was a lot of things I couldn't do much about it. And the canopy area here looks, if you see these white lines there, I don't really know what it is, because when I peeled off the mask, those white lines were there. I tried to scrape it off, but it didn't come off. But anyway, this is the best that I can do, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this was a bad build, but I didn't expect much from an old kit from 1988. So I guess this is what happens when you can buy old kits really cheap. Anyway, I didn't really enjoy it. I always wanted to build a B-52, so this was I think this is the smallest that I can find. There is a 1/700 scale, but I think that would be too tiny. So would I build another B-52 maybe at 1/44 scale? And at 1/44 I might do that, And Academy Great Wall Hobbies has a pretty new B-52 model kit. But I'm not I'm definitely not gonna build this at 172 scale because it's gonna be too big. And it is also not one of my favorite planes anyway. I used to like this plane when I was a kid, but I never had a chance to build it. So now that time has passed, somehow I probably grew out of it. So I took the chance at this 1/200 scale, and I didn't enjoy it. So probably I couldn't relive what I wanted when I was a kid. So there is the other star there. So that's the only two decals that I could slide it off because it was small. So that is it for this model. I'm glad I can put it on the shelf now and move to something else. So I did buy some other kits. I do have another plane and a ship. So I'll do a review on those and start on it, and then I'll update again on my progress build. But I haven't decided if I'm gonna do the ship or the plane. So I'll just do the review first and post it. Then I'll start. When I start, if I have decided which one to build, I will upload those videos. So until then, hope you're all not disappointed with this, but I am disappointed. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.